Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. There are many snacks made from glutinous rice in China. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, glutinous rice is suitable for people with weak spleen and stomach. Today's recipe is cool sticky rice cake, which is made with sticky rice flour and red bean paste. Let's get started. Prepare 210 grams of sticky rice flour, 30 grams of sugar, 270 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of oil. First add the sticky rice flour to a bowl, then add sugar, oil, slowly add the water. Stirring evenly with chopsticks while adding water, until there are no dough drops. Transfer to a steamer, cover and steam for 20 minutes after the water boils. At this time, stir-fry the glutinous rice flour, about 100 grams, heat the pot over the lowest heat, fry until the glutinous rice flour turns slightly yellow, then turn off the heat. Prepare 200 grams of red bean paste for the fillings. Sprinkle some cooked glutinous rice flour on the workboard, take out the glutinous rice dough, cut into 6 parts. Make each part into a cylindrical shape. Take one cylinder, flatten with a rolling pin. Then also make the red bean paste into a small cylinder, put it on the sticky rice dough. Hold the glutinous rice ball with both hands to close it. Roll it with your hands to make the surface smooth. Then cut into sections. Do the same for the rest ones. The cool sticky rice cake is ready. It can be used as a daily snack. The reason why it is called cold cake is because it tastes cool when it cooled to room temperature. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.